Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the women's exclusive. This time it is the Air Jordan 1 highs in the Starfish colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. To another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we are going to be talking about the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 highs in the Starfish colorway. We'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit, talk about how I styled this really great, cool colorway for the fall, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Super excited when I saw images leaked on these. I wasn't actually quite sure though in some of the images whether this was a brown hue or a black hue, but love that it was a more chocolatey brown hue that complements this Starfish orange, just because I think that this is going to be the perfect color scheme for the fall. This just reminds me of all the fall colorways, pumpkin patches, you name it. This is like spiced apple cider feeling that it is giving me. Also kind of reminds me of an Hermes Birkin bag, to be honest with you. The same kind of color scheme, same kind of vibe. But starting with the front of the toe box, we've got smooth white leather, that Starfish orange color scheme. It is kind of giving sort of a shattered backboard feel, but this is definitely a different type of orange, which I really like. I think this is just something that is very complimentary and an easy orange to really style with. As we work our way up, we do have kind of a brighter hue of orange for the laces. We've got an off-white color scheme for the nylon tongue and more hits of that Starfish orange for the Nike Air and swoosh mark. If you're not feeling those laces, it does come with a set of cream laces inside this nice box. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move along to the side paneling. All right, so before we move on to side paneling, I do want to mention that we are given two different hang tags. This one is a very nice, luxurious leather hang tag with the Jordan logo on it, as well as this hang tag, which also has that Starfish in brown color scheme. As we work our way to the side paneling on the medial side, we've got underlays of the smooth white leather. More of that tumbled leather moves onto the swoosh mark for the Starfish colorway, which moves along to the back of the heel. As we move up to the collar, we've got that nice just chocolatey brown color scheme, which is also on the wings logo. On the lateral side, again, more of that tumbled leather is on the swoosh mark and the Starfish colorway with underlays of that smooth white leather. As we work our way to the interior, we do have the orange and white color scheme for the insole, and then we've got this nice aged off-white color scheme for the midsole and a nice pop of orange for the outsole. All right, so now let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, again, this did come only in women's sizing since it was a women's exclusive. So I stuck true size with the size 9, and I feel like this fits me absolutely to a T. So highly recommend sticking true size on this one, especially if you do have higher narrow feet like myself. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate the size that completely works opposite from my own. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Definitely getting excited as the temperatures are dropping to cooler temperatures here in New York. So I'm getting to start to layer, which is exciting. For the first look, I decided to wear a really just cool, nice graphic tee with a brown button-down jacket. For the bottoms, I wore some just nice brown denim wide leg pants, and that was just a nice kind of fall color scheme.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams, so yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter, and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong.
Then for the second look, switched up a little bit, wanted to dress up with a nice abstract maxi dress. And then I layered that with a nice faux fur cream jacket, which I think kind of complemented the off-white color tones in the sneaker itself.
Miss it, how you want me back in your bed, but I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams, so yeah.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear some plaid. I wore plaid that had some nice kind of hues that I think complemented the sneaker quite nicely. And I also wore a nice kind of artistic style tee that also had some complementary colors to the sneaker as well.
Got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you helped yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore.
So you let me know down below, was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these?
Something. You got me high, stayed up until the sunrise. Told me it was love, then you left me with nothing. Changing your mind quick, making me car sick. Yeah, we crashed and my heart took the bad hit. I was a highway, you were on a joyride. Now I'm wishing I could have seen all the signs. Could have sworn I heard you tell me we were on the same page. But baby, I was hearing things while you were switching lanes. We were going so fast that the lines were only blurry. Didn't stop to realize that you could hurt me. I think that I would have died to call you mine, call you mine. I was a highway, you were on a joyride. Always driving like you were running from something. You got me high, stayed up until the sunrise. Told me it was love, then you left me with nothing. Changing your mind.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So again, this is an early look. So these are going to be retailed at $170. They are set to release October 27th, but who knows, it could get pushed back. But I would say look forward to these releasing at the end of the month. They are currently going between $170 to $200, so not too bad right now. And also want to mention a huge shout out and thank you to Ken Rock Gotham. Thank you so much for sending me these early so that I was able to do this unboxing. Really appreciate you. If you don't already follow Ken Rock Gotham, be sure to head on over to his Instagram if you're looking to cop early pairs. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below, and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Yeah, we crashed and my heart took a bad hit. I was a highway, you were on a joyride. Now I'm wishing I